now we're going to talk to Abby. Thank you for coming here today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, could you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure thing. So I'm Mariadelle Gamit, known to many as Abby. I'm a visual artist and a DJ based here in Tamaki, Makaurau, and I run a creative collective with my friends called All My Friends.
And you had a gig this week too, didn't you?
Yes, we did. Yeah, something for like late night art. We had an exhibition showing at Ellen Melville Centre and artwork at the Strand Arcade, and then we did a rave at Exchange Lane. So thanks for dancing with
us. It was great.
Yeah.
It was great. So you were the first part of our Two Fashion exhibition project.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Would you mind sharing with us what it was like to be part of that?
It was really awesome that Edith initially reached out to me because it was over lockdown as well, so we had to be on the go. I guess it helps that I'm friends with Edith already, and she was my tutor in Elam, so you know.
Yeah, so Edith's the photographer who took all these wonderful photos in the exhibition.
Yeah. So I don't have to be like uncomfortable because we were just vibing.
Yeah, so it was great because you were the first one. You were our poster girl when we were promoting the exhibition.
Yeah.
But how did you feel about having to share your stories about how you dress? Because here's the photo of you, and today you look very different again.
Yeah, that's right. I guess like the whole process has made me really be more intentional about how I dress as well. Like even more so, I think with this one I talked to you about how I was being like feminine. I was like treating myself as like a doll because I have a doll there as well. Actually, I guess I can share my experience about how I dress myself when I DJ now.
Yeah, great.
Like I'm trying to make more of a difference if I'm like in DJ mode. Like I wear wigs now, like it's like really hyper feminine as well. That when I step outside my DJ persona, I'm even more different.
Yeah. So you've got personas for your artwork, for your day job that pays the rent, and for your DJ. No, so it's great. So you just enjoy playing with clothes. I think that was very clear from the exhibition, that sort of playfulness. Yeah, great. Hey, well, thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.